Hey, so just wanted to go over this plant right here behind me. You can see it. It's a nice hedge in front of this nice home. And this is called an Indian Hawthorn. This Indian Hawthorn is very well known. We've a lot of used over the years, a lot of it in the landscape out there in people's homes. But what we're starting to see is these red tips are starting to decline. As you can see, there is spots on these leaves of all of this Indian Hawthorn. What will eventually happen is it will actually defoliate all of these Indian Hawthorns. And eventually these Indian Hawthorns will have to be replaced. There's nothing that can be done that would be cost effective in doing that. So if you're out there designing your landscape this time of the year, keep in mind that the Indian Hawthorn is one of those that you may want to stay away from, just due to the fact of the situation of the disease that's currently showing up in Indian Hawthorns. Hope this helps. If you need any help with your landscape, give us a call or check us out on realturfsolutions.com.